with all the social events you've attended lately, Aries, it's likely that you've met some people in the healing professions. These doctors, nurses, and technicians could be useful to you later. Be sure to file their contact information away for future reference. On another front, expect to receive some good news concerning your finances. You may discover an untapped talent today, Taurus. Perhaps there's a new machine in the office and you're the only one who can figure out how to use it. Maybe drafting a simple business proposal makes you realize how much you enjoy the writing process. This is a good day for any kind of creative endeavor, as well as for paperwork of all sorts. Get everything done so you can enjoy the evening. Expect some positive developments today that impact the whole family, Gemini. Perhaps you or your mate will receive word of a significant raise or great job opportunity. Perhaps you meet the one who is right for you, and you know it the instant you shake hands. Whichever it is, don't let the opportunity pass. If you don't seize it, someone else surely will. You should be feeling especially confident today, Cancer. You've been working especially hard lately, and the recognition you've received goes a long way toward reinforcing your feelings of self-worth. Your life goals suddenly seem more attainable and you'll pursue them with renewed vigor. Your confidence is grounded in reality. You will surely succeed. This is a day made for fun and frivolity, Leo, not one in which you're likely to get many of your chores done. Try as you might to focus on the task at hand, there are distractions everywhere you turn. Your email pals could be sending you jokes and notes, and your friends could be bugging you to join them for an outing of some sort. You may as well give in. You're a person of many talents, and today you're likely to discover yet another one, Virgo. The delivery of a new piece of equipment makes you feel like you've been given a toy for your sole enjoyment. But once you get the computer or piece of machinery up and running, you need to share it with your coworkers. They will be very impressed with your technical abilities. Don't be surprised if people surround you today, each one anxious to confer with you. It seems that you're the authority on all topics, Libra. All the attention is flattering, but it makes it difficult to get any work done. Do what you can to help your coworkers, and then tell them that the help desk is closed for the day. You want to leave work early so you can be with your loved ones.
Don't let yourself be manipulated by needy friends, Scorpio. With today's planetary energies, it's a good time to think about setting clear boundaries. You know which friends are there for you and lift you up and which ones tend to drain all your time and energy with a constant need for your immediate attention. Try saying no. You can't fix other people's lives for them anyway. Think about it. This is a good day for sharing friendship with pals and coworkers, Sagittarius. People will be in a light, socializing mood and not much in a working frame of mind. There's really no use fighting this energy. Enjoy yourself today and allow yourself to detach from work issues. You can all get back to the grindstone later. The work will still be there. Your technical skills take a real leap forward today, Capricorn. It seems all that training you've done is finally paying off. Your new skills will greatly increase your efficiency and enhance your marketability. If you've been thinking about applying for a new position, get your resume ready to send out when you see an appealing ad. Any move you make will be for the better. Don't be surprised to see your coworkers acting a bit silly today, Aquarius. There is no getting around the high spirits that permeate the office environment. It's almost impossible to get any work done with today's planetary atmosphere. Rather than cracking the whip and trying to increase productivity, why not join in? Lighten up a little. Life's been a real social whirl lately, Pisces. You may feel a bit overwhelmed by all the people and parties. It's fun to see everyone, but a bit daunting to renew ties with old friends and try to remember the names of new ones. Names and faces mingle to the point where you aren't sure of your own name, much less anyone else's. Take a deep breath, Pisces, you're doing just fine.